this video, I will start question number 11 from exercise 8.1, that is on page 146. Construct a regular pentagon ABCDE where measurement AB is equal to 3.2 centimeter. For the pentagon, regular pentagon, you already know that pentagon is a 5-sided closed polygon and each of the base angle is of 108 degree. Now we will start with the construction of the pentagon. For that, draw measurement AB of 3.2 centimeter with the help of a pencil and a ruler. After that, you take point A as the center and with the help of a protractor mark an angle of 108 degree and extend the ray showing it as AX. Then take point B as a center and mark an angle of 108 degree with the help of protractor and represent it with the ray BY. After this, take your compass and with a radius of 3.2 centimeter, draw an arc from point A at point E, that is the intersecting point where AX is being cut. Then take point B as a center and draw an arc of 3.2 centimeter and mark an arc here that is going to cut ray BY at point C. Then take C and E as centers, draw two arcs, one arc starting from here, draw an arc here that is of 3.2 centimeter. Then taking point E as a center, draw another arc here of 3.2 centimeter. Now with the help of your ruler, join this point C and extend the ray to point D, and from E and extend the ray and mark this as intersecting point as D. Now, as you already know that pentagon has been constructed, so we will call it as pentagon A, B, C, D and E. Let's look at the steps of construction. Draw measurement AB of 3.2 centimeter. Number 2, construct and measure angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 108 degree, and you have to extend the rays as AX and BY. Draw an arc of 3.2 centimeter with the center at A, which intersects AX at point E, as you can see here. Then draw an arc of 3.2 centimeter with center at B, which intersects BY at point C, as you can see here. Then take point C and E as centers with the same radius of 3.2 centimeter. Draw two arcs intersecting each other at point D. Join C to D, D to E, hence ABCDE is the required pentagon. So after watching this video, you have to do this construction in your copy. Thank you.